Brick here. Today I want to share with you a new piece of gear that I have recently received. This is the Atlas 46 tool roll. It is made of really high quality materials, completely made in the USA, very nicely done. It comes with some extra straps on the outside so that it will roll up, but let me just open it and show you what it can do here. All right, this is what it basically looks like. It's got a relatively flat zippered compartment on the top, and then it has 4 zippered compartments down here on the sides. This is the side view, so you can see how it's put together. Extremely well done. Now, why did I want to get something like this? You may have seen a lot of bug out rolls and things like that that people have been posting, really huge. This one is compact. It's not a bug out roll, obviously. It's a little tool kit. But it's something that's exceedingly small and compact. And what I was looking for was something that would allow me to have all of the sort of core pieces of kit that I always have with me on any trip in one spot, so that I could unroll it, open it up, hang it on a tree, and have access to all of those things so they're not in separate pouches and bags rolling around inside my backpack. So let me just show you. I haven't taken this out on the into the woods yet. This is just to demonstrate the product because I was so excited about it. But let me show you what I have in here currently. This bottom portion is what I call my tool pouch. This is where I have my ThruNite TH10 headlamp. It's a rechargeable headlamp. It's where I have my Silver Ranger compass. I have some extra batteries for a little mag light torch, LED. I have my Mora Garberg knife. I have my Baco Laplander. Well, it's not the Laplander, it's the professional, but basically it's the orange version of the Laplander. And lastly, I have my Swiss Army Champ, which is my multi-tool of choice for this particular kit. All right, so that's the bottom pouch, that's the tool pouch. There's more room in there. I could have put more in. That's just what I'm demonstrating with now. When I go up one, I have two different kits that are included in this particular one. Both of them I use Granite Gear bags for. The first here is my rope kit. I have various pieces of paracord, string, some shock cord, different things like that. This allows me to tie things up. All of my tarps and things like that already come with rope kits, but if I need additional rope for a drying line, or if I need to extend a guy line on a tarp, this gives me options that I can do that. So I always carry a rope kit. The second one is my fire kit, and that's why it's in this orange pouch. I have everything from sort of fire starters, different kinds of tinder. I got Yuko Stormproof matches. I have a fire steel. I have a bag for collecting natural tinder. I even have a piece of fat wood that's in here as well. So this is compact. This is my my backpacking version of my fire kit. It also fits. Moving up to the next one. This is sort of my food and water kind of kit. I do carry a small solid fuel stove. These are Esbitt cubes. This is the actual stove itself. This is a little reflector plate on the bottom, but I can use this to cook if I had to in an emergency. There are two Esbitt cubes in here as well. I have a Light My Fire titanium spork. This is my beer bag hanging kit. Also includes 50 feet of reflector tracer, 550 paracord, and a carabiner in the bag, which I store it in, which is also a throw sack. Fill it with rocks, throw it over the tree limb. My water kit currently consists of a 3-liter Katahdin bee-free water filter, which I keep in plastic just to keep it from dripping, and then my 3-liter bag. Next one gets into other necessities up here. This is where I have my first aid kit that I take. All sorts of stuff in here. I'm not going to go through the details, but it fits in here as well. Also my deuce of spades, which I keep here to keep the dirt out, and some toilet paper, necessities. Also keep some wet ones here because they're antibacterial. If I need to clean a wound or something like that, or just, general purposes, always nice to have. Those fit there. In the topmost zippered pocket of my pouch, I have a couple of plastic storage bags. I also have a handkerchief, and I also have some signaling devices. I have a signal mirror, and I have a Survival Resources Fresnel magnifier, which allows me to start fire if I need to. So all of those things fit in this roll. It gives me sort of a core set of basics. And again, this is just demonstration purposes. As I live with this, as I start to use it, I'm sure certain things are going to find their way into here. Some things may find their way out of here. But I was just really excited about the prospect of this tool roll. I thought you guys might enjoy knowing about it. I haven't heard anything about this particular company in terms of their tool rolls, but I'm sure they're well known in certain circles. I'm just going at it from a backpacking perspective. I can't say enough about the quality of construction. Let me kind of show you up close. This is really thick Cordura nylon. These are really heavy grade zippers. They're using 550 paracord for the poles on it. All made in USA, really superior quality. The stitching that you have here, excellent quality stitching, really strong quality buckles. This thing is made to last. A lot of really nice details have gone into it. So folks, that is the Atlas 46 tool roll, which I'm going to be using basically for my necessities that I take on every backpacking or camping trip or bushcraft trip. A place to keep them in one spot where I can drop them in my pack and pull them out and have them easily available. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. Bent Brook out.